Bristi here. Today I am making this video especially for those people who have asked me for a simple, easy, everyday makeup. Many of you don't want to apply so many products on your face or simply don't have time or patience for the same. Yeah, totally I can understand that. So making this makeup tutorial, like this is a very simple, easy, everyday makeup tutorial. To get this look, I have used very minimal products. So let's start. So first option is prep your skin. Guys, I really insist you to do this step because it's very important. Yes, because your skin is your priority, not makeup, right? So please clean and moisturize your face before doing makeup and after removing makeup. You have to do this. Basically, cleansing and moisturizing your skin will help to blend the products on your skin easily. Everyday makeup should cover your blemishes, define your bone structure and highlight your pretty eyes without making you look overdone. Ready to feel fresh and confident as you go about your day? Let's start with me. Hi, this is Bristi. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon if you get notification for my other new videos.
Before applying makeup in the morning, wash your face so you will be able to start with a fresh canvas. Use a cleanser or simply splash lukewarm water on your face a few times to wash away any debris on your skin. Avoid washing your face hot water, this will dry it out. Exfoliate your skin using any exfoliating scrub you like. Using a face mask from time to time is another way to keep our facial skin in good shape.
So last step before applying makeup is putting some moisturizer on your face.
Let the moisturizer absorb into your skin for a few minutes before you move on to apply makeup.
If you are going out and you are doing makeup in daytime, you should apply this sunscreen. So now I will start my makeup. Today I am not applying any foundation. First I will use a pigment rich concealer and it's not cakey. It's very lightweight and smooth finish. So it can be used as a concealer and highlighter also. I am using this product on my under eye area, nose and jaw area. Gently dab with this beauty blender. Wow, it's a really nice concealer. You can see it gives you full coverage. I'm not applying any foundation, only applying this concealer and it gives a full coverage. It's very important to do your neck also. You should use this translucent powder. I am using NYX won't stop setting powder, that is in banana shade under my eye and some jaw areas also. Remove extra powder. Okay, this step is totally optional. I am using my MAC Studio Fix compact powder. So these are basic steps. See? I have used sunscreen, then concealer, then compact powder or the translucent powder and a blush, warm color blush. So yeah, your face is quite ready now. But I will use one more product. That is a little bit of highlighter. Gives very dewy look. Now that you have evened out your skin tone, it's time to enhance your features. So yeah, my eyebrow is done now. It's very important step. According to me, eyebrow is very important part of our face. So yeah, this is it. You are almost done. Okay, and if you want to use a bright lip color, always if you don't have time, then put a lip balm or lip gloss, and that's it. Today I am wearing a purple color dress, so I will use this color. So guys, this is my final look. Yes, I have only used few products and you can look gorgeous using only few products. So if you like this video, please show your thumb and don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can use other products also. This is the basic. If you want to enhance your eyes, you can use a kajal or eyeliner. Yeah, and you can use some colors on your eyelids. Eyeshadow, and I'm wearing purple color, right? So I will use some purple color, light purple on my eyelids. And blend it. Just one color. It gives you a light shimmery look, right? So yeah,